We're dissecting the anticipated 2026 battle between Shell V-Power and ExxonMobil Synergy, rigorously testing which fuel formulation delivers superior long-term engine health and fuel economy. This deep dive will uncover the specific additive packages and their impact on critical engine components, revealing the true winner for protecting vital systems and maximizing mileage. Specifically, we're restaging a massive showdown between two of the biggest names in the game, Shell and ExxonMobil. But this isn't just about which one is better right now. We're looking ahead to 2026. What will the fuel landscape look like then? And which company is better positioned to give you the best fuel economy and protect your engine in the long run? If you're someone who cares about protecting your vehicle with real facts instead of marketing hype, hit that subscribe button right now. Let's get into it. First, let's break down what we're actually comparing. When you pull up to the pump, you see different brands, but is there really a difference? The short answer is yes. While all gasoline sold in the US has to meet certain basic standards, the secret sauce is in the additives. These are complex chemical packages that companies blend into their fuel. They're designed to do things like clean your engine, reduce friction, and prevent nasty deposits from building up. This is where Shell and ExxonMobil really go head-to-head. Let's start with Shell. Their big claim to fame is their nitrogen-enriched cleaning system, which you'll find in their V-Power Nitro Plus premium gasoline. The name itself sounds high-tech, right? Shell claims this formula actively cleans critical engine parts like intake valves and fuel injectors from performance-robbing gunk. The idea is that a cleaner engine is a more efficient engine. It can breathe better, combust fuel more completely, and ultimately deliver better performance and gas mileage. Shell has invested billions in research and development, working with partners like Ferrari in the high-stakes world of Formula One. They argue that the lessons learned on the racetrack directly translate to the fuel you put in your family car. Their marketing is all about protection and performance restoration. Now, let's shift gears to ExxonMobil. You probably know them for their Synergy fuel technology. Mobil's approach is also heavily focused on engine cleaning, but they frame it around 7 key ingredients. They claim their additives help with things like intake valve cleanliness, corrosion protection, and friction reduction. Like Shell, they emphasize that a cleaner engine runs better. They want you to think of their fuel as a way to help your engine run like new. ExxonMobil also has a strong presence in motorsports, particularly with the Red Bull Racing Formula One team. This partnership serves as a grueling testbed for their fuel and lubricant technologies, pushing the limits of engine performance and efficiency. They want you to believe that this cutting-edge science is trickling down to your local gas station. So, both companies are talking a big game about cleaning your engine. What does this actually mean for you, the driver? Well, think of your engine's fuel injectors. They have tiny little nozzles that spray a fine mist of fuel into the combustion chamber. Over time, carbon deposits can build up and partially clog these nozzles. Instead of a fine mist, you might get a weak dribble. This leads to incomplete combustion, which means wasted fuel, less power, and more harmful emissions. The detergent additives from both Shell and Mobil are designed to dissolve and wash away these deposits, restoring that perfect spray pattern. It's like a deep clean for the heart of your car. But we're not just talking about today. We're looking at 2026. The automotive world is changing at an incredible pace. We have more direct injection engines, more turbocharged engines, and a growing number of hybrids. These modern engines are amazing feats of engineering, but they're also more demanding. They run at higher pressures and temperatures, making them more susceptible to specific issues like low-speed pre-ignition, or LSPI. This is a nasty phenomenon where combustion happens at the wrong time, and it can cause serious engine damage. The fuel of the future needs to be able to handle this. So who's better prepared for 2026? Both Shell and ExxonMobil are acutely aware of these challenges. They are constantly reformulating their additive packages to meet the demands of these new engine technologies. For example, the latest gasoline specifications like top tier are becoming more stringent, and both companies are at the forefront of meeting and exceeding these standards. They're both researching how to better combat deposit buildup in gasoline direct injection engines, or GDI engines, which are notoriously prone to it. They're also exploring ways to reduce friction even further, because less friction means less wasted energy and better fuel economy. Think of it as an arms race, but with chemists and engineers instead of soldiers. Another huge factor for 2026 and beyond is the push for sustainability. Both companies are investing heavily in lower carbon energy solutions. This includes advanced biofuels, which are derived from non-food sources like waste or algae, and can be blended into gasoline to reduce its carbon footprint. They're also working on hydrogen fuel and electric vehicle charging infrastructure. While our focus today is on gasoline, it's important to remember that these are massive energy companies, and their long-term strategies will influence the fuels we use. By 2026, we might see gasoline with a higher percentage of renewable components, and both Shell and ExxonMobil will be competing to offer the most effective and environmentally friendly options. So how do we declare a winner in this 2026 showdown? It's tough because a lot depends on your specific car and your driving habits. A brand new car with a high-performance direct injection engine might benefit more from the advanced cleaning properties of a top-tier fuel than an older, simpler port-injected engine. If you do a lot of short trips in the city, your engine might be more prone to deposit buildup, making a good detergent additive even more important. Here's my take. For years, independent tests and enthusiast communities have often given a slight edge to Shell V-Power for its cleaning ability. Anecdotally, many performance car owners swear by it. However, ExxonMobil's Synergy fuel is also a very high-quality product that meets all the same top-tier standards. In reality, for the average driver, the difference between the premium offerings from these two giants might be marginal in day-to-day driving. You're unlikely to notice a 2% difference in fuel economy on a single tank. But when we look towards 2026, the game changes. I believe the winner will be the company that best addresses the three key pillars: performance in modern engines, sustainability, and consistency. Both are pouring resources into R&D, so it's going to be a photo finish. However, based on their current public-facing technology and marketing, Shell seems to have a slightly more aggressive focus on the restorative cleaning and performance aspect with their Nitro Plus branding. This might give them a slight edge in the minds of consumers who are driving more complex, turbocharged engines that will be even more common by 2026. My prediction for 2026 is that while both companies will offer excellent fuels, Shell will likely maintain its reputation as the performance and protection choice. ExxonMobil will continue to be a strong competitor, focusing on reliability and the engineering angle with their Synergy technology. The real winner, though, is you, the consumer. This intense competition means we get better and better fuels that help our cars run longer and more efficiently. So, what should you do? My advice is this. First, check what your car manufacturer recommends. Some high-performance cars explicitly require premium, high-detergent fuel. Second, choose a top-tier certified gasoline brand. Both Shell and ExxonMobil are on that list, along with many others. Sticking with a top-tier fuel is the single most important thing you can do for your engine's long-term health. And finally, if you're curious, try running a few tanks of Shell Premium and then a few tanks of ExxonMobil Premium and see if you notice any difference yourself. Track your mileage carefully and pay attention to how the engine feels. You might be surprised. The fuel world is more complex than ever, but it's also more advanced. By 2026, the technology in that pump will be a direct result of this fierce rivalry between giants like Shell and ExxonMobil. It's a fascinating race to watch. Thanks so much for tuning in today. I hope this gave you a better understanding of what's in your gas tank. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next video. Drive safe, and see you next time.